Hello everyone, my name is Ainun Jariah. I am from Muhammadiyah University of Palangkaraya, and at this time I would like to explain about social ecological potential of women empowerment in implementing 4Rs of waste management in densely populated areas for the realization of SDGs 2030 goals. Palangkaraya City, based on the authority as an autonomous territory, then the government of Palangkaraya City issued Mayoral Regulation number 20 in 2019 about policy and strategy of Palangkaraya City in waste management of household garbage and kind of similar household garbage. As reported by Borneo News newspaper in August 10, 2019, the estimation of the garbage production of the Society of Palangkaraya City as the provincial capital of Kalimantan Tengah reaches 920.94 cubic meters per day, based on the data from the Office of Public Housing and Settlement Areas of Palangkaraya. This amount shows the production of garbage is equivalent to 138,141.50 kilograms per day. The method of implementation is divided by three key phases, and they are 1. Program preparation phase, which intends to create a map of the problem faced by the target of the program and identify the characters of the member of the community considered worthy to be given understanding of the importance of waste management and accompaniment. The observation indicators are in the form of the basic knowledge of management material and the implementation of 4Rs of garbage in the densely population areas. Number 2, program implementation phase, that is held by using the accompaniment method. The material explanation invite one of representative of women community which is engaged on UMKM and local craft products as to give material related to the importance of waste management, both impacts and advantages, and how to manage the advantages of garbage using 4Rs in the daily life. Number 3, monitoring and evaluation phase to the program done by measuring how far the local public awareness to the importance of waste management. The success can be measured by increasing quality and creativity of their social activity within indicators to their capability in creating garbage product and standard of living, getting better, beautiful, neat and clean. Result and discussion. The definition of garbage. According to the law number 18 in 2008, garbage is a rest of human activities and or solid natural process. And the definition of waste management. Waste management, according to the law number 18 of 2008, is a systematical activity, comprehensive and sustainable, which involve reducing and handling. Kinds of garbage. There are three kinds of garbage. The first one is organic garbage, Organic garbage is a wet garbage which is generated from the rest of living things, so that this kind of garbage can be destroyed easily and rot naturally. Second one, non-organic garbage, or often called as dry garbage, is a kind of garbage which is constituent from non-organic compound and usually comes from non-renewable natural resources such as crude oil, industry process, and mineral or mined. The last one is B3 garbage. A B3 garbage is a dangerous and poisonous waste that are toxic. Consequently, it needs special handling. Much of them are generated from industry activities or daily product used. Currently, it is getting many industries appear which produce various waste that is dangerous and toxic waste. Therefore, it needs special handling. Preparation program based on the analysis result of the beginning phase of field observation that has done, then it is created a map of various problem phase, so that made strategy flow of waste management will be applied. In preparation phase is also implemented a beginning observation to the target of activity, that is the member of women empowerment. The implementation of the program social ecological, that is built in the middle of the society, become large because it influences each other. Therefore, women empowerment activity is one of ways to solve the waste problem happen. Optimizing of waste management. According to Cunningham, 2004, the basis of modern waste management consists of 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle, before finally extinct or destroyed. Regarding of debris, composition and kinds of garbage generated, then sorting has done in the sort by applying 4Rs concept. There are waste management with the waste. According to Suyoto 2008, the effort which can be done regarding to the reduce program is to avoid of using and buying product that generated garbage in big amount, reduce place or package to the same function or another function. Reuse principle done with many ways, as much as possible to choose things that can reuse. Next, recycle is a principle of doing everything as much as possible to use useless things to be recycled. According to Suyoto, effort that can be done regarding to recycle program is to change plastic garbage to be souvenirs, producing organic garbage to be compost, and changing paper garbage to be paintings or miniature toys. There are 5 aspects of waste management generally which can be explained as follows. 1. Aspect of legal regulation. Waste management is set of responsibility of all parts, yet in implementing have to be fairly arranged. Therefore, needed legal regulation which arrange about all aspects influence in waste management. 2. Aspect of institutional. According to Jogo, institution is the arrangement and pattern of relation between the member of society or organization which is binding each other, can be decided the form of relation between people or organization shaped in organization or network and decided by limited factors and bound in the form of a norm, code of ethic, of formal or informal rules to control social behavior and incentive to cooperate and achieve the common goal. 3. Aspect of operational technique. It is one of effort in controlling the growth of garbage, yet in its implementation must be arranged with the healthy consideration, economic condition, technique, conservation, aesthetic, and environment consideration. 4. Aspect of financing. Sugiarto presents that financial sector involve some aspect. 1. The budget proportion of garbage management between retribution and cost of garbage management. 2. The proportion of cost component for salary, transportation, and maintenance. 5. Aspect of public participant. Damanhuri and Padmi say that one of approaches to the society in order to help the government program in cleaning is how to adapt the society to the appropriate behavior with the program goals. This involves as follows: how to change public perception to the waste management which are orderly and neatly, social factor, structure, and local culture. The habit in waste management so far. That's all the explanation about social ecological potential of women empowerment in implementing 4Rs of waste management in densely populated areas for the realization of SDGs 2030 goals. And thank you so much for your time.